Those are things like as you learn business, these are things that you can steal and implement. You see it everywhere because it works everywhere. So why aren't you doing it? So that's, that, and like I said, practice saying prices to people. I literally mess with my family members and friends by starting conversations with dollar amounts. $2,426 or 25. You need to be able to at least 10x it. Are you ready to shoot today? Or are you ready? Does the 14th work for you? And when they look at you like you crazy, if you can rebound from that, you can rebound from a client. So practice. If dollar amounts are hard for you and you're not comfortable, practice. Because I see too much of y'all work that's worth $20,000 and y'all charging $250 for it. And the next camera roll around and you can't get it because you haven't made enough money, but you actually did the work. You just didn't charge enough. Or you got clients, my clients calling me all the time. Yeah, because you're cheap. You're underpriced. That's why your clients are blowing you up and they put you on the calendar 80 times. Because you're underpriced. I would too. I would use you and abuse you until you learn how to get it right. They look for starving artists in this industry. That's why your friends post, anybody know a photographer? They don't want good work. They want cheap work on their Facebook page. It's a reason they do that. So very important that we understand that, especially coming off that video. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out either on the platform or the YouTube channel, but it talks about pricing. It talks about really just developing the confidence to ask for what you're worth. Only you get to decide what you're worth. If you let somebody else decide it, it's going to be cheaper than what you would have asked for. If you got a 9-to-5 right now, they're paying you less than you want. And there's nothing you can do about it but wait for a raise or ask for a raise. But they're in a position to do that. If you don't ask for what you're worth, you will not get it.